Caring for someone you love shouldn't feel overwhelming. Connected Living offers simple guides and resources designed specifically for carers, families, and those they support. Getting started with technology becomes straightforward with our step-by-step tutorials. Video calling connects you with loved ones effortlessly. First aid and health guidance provides confidence in emergencies. Mental health and wellness resources support emotional well-being. Printable guides offer practical tools you can use anywhere. Short videos, articles, and easy-to-follow instructions make every aspect of care more manageable. Visit the Connected Living pages on the Care in Hand website and discover how simple caring can be.